guys, what's up? It's been a while. So on my birthday on March 27, my brother ordered me 6 mystery Funko Pop on Amazon, and the total was $27 and something like that with tax, but the price itself is only $25. So I'm really excited. It's 6 pops. It didn't say anything about having a chase whatsoever, which I'm not really worried about because, you know, it's only $25. So yeah, let's get started. So it looks like this. No bubble wrap whatsoever. I usually get Funko Pops that are like this sometimes, which is fine. We're gonna see what's inside. Alright, so we have Vanya. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, and she's from the Umbrella Academy. I've never seen her before. It looks like this is on Netflix. We're gonna go ahead and check the price. So she's $6, and if there's actually a cheese version of this one, which is $29. So we got the common pops. So we have $6 so far out of $25. So not too bad. And then the next one, we have Naomi from WWE. So her face is like right there. You know, honestly, I just wish in this mystery box I know at least one character, but so far I don't know who these people are. So $6, and if we did got the chase pop version, it'll be $33. So 6 plus 6, $12. $12 out of 25. Alright. And then the next one, Nona. Honestly, please don't hate me for my pronunciation because I definitely suck at it. Alright. I love the way they did her hair. It looks really, really cool. So this one is $7, and the Chase Pop version is $25. So far we have about $19, and we have 3 more to go. It's a pretty decent pop. I necessarily won't buy them because I don't know the characters, but you know, if you're starting out a collection, I think this one is really perfect. Oh, Steve. Okay, finally one that I know. Okay, I like this one. So far this is my favorite one. Okay guys, this is $11. So according to my calculator, we have $30. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and all of them's PPG value is $30. So we already surpassed that $25, so which is amazing. I think I would buy more of these, honestly. And I will also link it down below if you're like interested in buying it. Alright, so we got 2 more left. Honestly, I'm hoping that there'll be one that's an anime character, because I'm an anime character. What am I saying? Anime fan. Alright. So we have Romans from the Birds of Prey. You know what? I actually have one of these, and it turns out I have the chase one. It's kind of the story how I got the chase one is like I just saw on the counter on Hot Topic, and I was like, okay, I'm definitely getting that. So I'm glad I got the common version one, so they're now complete. So this one is $8, and if we were to get the chase version, it'll be $21. We have 1 more to go. Okay, so we have Speed Racer. I think I've seen this before, but I'm not sure. That's cool. Alright, so I guess they don't really have a lot of version in the back. $6, and if we were to get the chase version, it's gonna be $24, and the chase one looks actually really cool. Yeah, so in total plus 6, so all of this Funko Pop in total is $44, and you know, this is worth it in my opinion. I mean, there are some that I don't know, like character wise, but if you were, like I said, starting a Funko Pop collection for new people like me, I actually started collecting Funko Pops just over 2 months ago. This is a great collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and subscribe.